Wagwan my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make curry fish. I have a video on my channel already, but I just need to make a new one, okay? So first and foremost, big up Father God. Alright, now we go jump right into
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So these are my snapper fish. They are already scaled. I just need to wash them. And I'm going to wash them with fresh lemon. So my ingredients here, I have some fresh thyme. I have some scallions chopped up. Here I have some pumpkin cut up. I leave the skin on the pumpkin. Here I have corn. Over here so I have onion diced up. This is like half of an onion. Here I have garlic. This is 4 cubes of garlic. I have some pimento berries here. Here I have coconut milk. I'm just gonna use like half of this can of coconut milk. Here I have better pot curry, which is the best curry. Alright. I have some okra cut up. Here I have some sweet pepper. And I have one hot pepper here. Here I have some carrots cut up. This is one small carrot cut up. Here I have my all-purpose seasoning. Here, sir, I have my green seasoning. I'm going to use to season the fish also. And I'm using a piece of butter. Not all of this butter. Okay, my people, now I'm going to wash the fish then, okay? So the fish, they come scale, but first you want to check if they have no scale left back on them, okay? So you do like this, you always draw your knife over it to see if you have no excess scale leave back on it. Okay, this one is good, not bad. So you want to check them. Always check the head them place here. See? Just to ensure you're not eating the scale off the fish, okay? You're just the fish you're eating, see? You have some scales right here. See? So you want to just go through the knife and scrape them off. Then you wash them off. So these, you want to make sure you clean this out the fish. Clean out all of these blood shots. Now make sure you clean, because we not eat nothing out of the fish, okay? Just the fish we eat. You see? And now make sure you got you and you clean out everything. We're not eating nothing outside of the fish. Make sure you wash your fish with room temperature water. So now we go in with the lemon. We'll squeeze the lemon. Alright. Now we go wash the fish then with the lemon. Cut the rinds from the fish. This is all your fish must clean, okay? Okay, my people, now I'm going to cut the fish them. Just give them a couple of slices for the seasoning to soak inside of them, okay? So just wanna, just like this. You don't want to cut them all the way through. Just slice them so the seasoning could soak inside of them. Because if you cut them all the way through, whenever they cook and you try to take them up all, they're gonna break in two. Now I'm going to seasoning them with the all-purpose seasoning. And the link for the seasoning going to be in the description box, my people. Now I'm going to add the green seasoning. So each one of the fish get a tablespoon of green seasoning, okay? You wanna make sure the seasoning get inside. Also, you could season them from the day before, so it's more nicer the next day, okay? But I'm making the video now, so I'm just gonna allow them to sit for 2 hours before I cook them. Okay, my people, now I'm going to start to cook the fish them. I'm gonna add this 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now I'm going to add my onions. Now I'm going to add the garlic. And you want to turn on your stove. Don't make your onions and garlic burn, okay? I'm going to add my pimentos. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of better pot curry. So remember, you want to make sure you burn the curry, my people. So it don't hurt your stomach, okay? You just want to make it burn at least 4 to 5 minutes. Make it take your time and cook. Now I'm going to add the sweet pepper. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. Give it a stir. See it nice and creamy. Now 3 cups of hot boiling water. 3 of these measuring cups. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to add my fresh thyme. Going to cover the pot for it to come to a boil. Okay, my people, now the curry sauce is boiling. Now I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning, not too much, because remember I already seasoned the fish them, just the sauce I'm seasoning up right now, okay? Not too much. Now I'm going to add the fish them, just like that. Now I'm going to add some butter. I'm going to add my corn around so they cook evenly. I'm going to add the carrots. Now I'm going to go ahead with the pumpkin. Good. I'm not going to burst the pepper because the green seasoning already have pepper. I'm going to add the okra. Now I'm going to add my scallions. Well, season it up. Now I'm going to cover this for 15 minutes, my people. Make it take time and steam. Okay, we're not rushing it. Okay, my people. Look at this. See? Everything cook. So now I'm going to turn off the stove. I'm going to plate it. I'm going to have this with some gungo rice. You know? Okay, my people, this is how my curry fish look when it finished. The plate kind of look a bit small, but still working with it, you know? Yeah, man. Nice and tasty. Full of flavor, colorful. Nice curry fish. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out.